How to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Firstly, you'll need to shoot the video. Just for a few seconds, shoot the video. After you do that, now over here you're gonna find this plus option. Click on it. Now you are able to shoot more content. But as you want to select the video from the gallery to send as a snap, you'll need to click on this option, picture option given over here. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the video clip. Once you have selected it, now you are able to crop it or make some changes, zoom it. After you do that, you'll be good to go. Now you can click on preview. Both the clip will be merged. Now you can make some necessary changes. Then you can click on send to and send this snap and send this video. So this way you are able to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. By following the same steps, you are able to add more clips to your snap. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.